Imagine a blockchain so lightweight that it fits into your pocket, yet powerful to redefine how we see privacy and security in Web3. Sounds impossible? Well, it's here, and it's called the Mina protocol. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up your Mina wallet and join the future of blockchain. Let's get started. This protocol is a game changer in the blockchain space. Unlike traditional blockchains that grow endlessly, Mina stays at an astonishing 22 kilobytes, ensuring that it is fast, efficient, and scalable. Whether you are new into crypto or you're a seasoned enthusiast, this particular protocol is on the mission to make sure that blockchain is accessible to everyone and anyone. But why set up a Mina wallet? Here is why. You are going to have secure transactions, safe and reliable. It is very easy to use even for beginners. Seamless integration into the protocol's decentralized world. Now let's get into it and set up your Mina wallet in just few steps. Step 1. Start by selecting a compatible wallet. For this demo, we'll be using Oro wallet, which is very popular and user-friendly for the Mina protocol. Step 2. Head to Chrome Web Store, search for Oro wallet and add it to your Chrome extension. When you have downloaded it, click on pin so that it's pinned to where you can easily access it. Step 3. Open the wallet, click on create wallet and set your password. The password you're putting in here is what will secure your wallet locally and ensure that it is very safe. Step 4. Back up your recovery phrase. This is very crucial because this is what you can use to access your wallet. So make sure you write it down and keep it somewhere safe from every other person. Just make sure you are backing it up very safe. Step 5. Explore your wallet. After you've confirmed and set up your recovery phrase, you'll be taken to your home dashboard where you will see your wallet amount, all of the exchanges you have, and of course you can look around and get yourself acquainted with the wallet. Now your wallet is ready. What is next? You can now transfer Mina tokens securely. You can access ZK apps for privacy preserving interactions. You can stake your tokens and earn rewards while supporting the network. Congratulations, you are now part of the Mina protocol community, the forefront of blockchain innovation. Ready to explore more? Make sure to like, comment and share this post so you don't miss out on future updates. And of course, don't just stop there. Start exploring these ZK apps and see how this protocol is changing the future of blockchain. I'll see you in the future of blockchain.